Dear students, hope you all are safe at your home and enjoying the e-learning. I, Manisha Arora, going to teach you General Knowledge. This subject is as important as other subject because without GK we can't understand other subjects. There is no wealth like knowledge. So let's start with next two chapters, chapter 4 medical tests and chapter 5 natural remedies. First I am taking chapter 4 medical tests. In this chapter we are going to know about some medical tests. Children, we all know about our body structure. Sometimes when we don't feel good physically, we go to the doctor for medical checkup. A physical examination usually provides the information a doctor needs to understand what's causing an illness. But sometimes doctor needs to take some tests to find out more. So I am going to teach you about these tests. Blood test, eye exam, ECG, imaging, etc. Now I am explaining these tests with the help of some pictures. So let's start. You can see the picture of blood samples. In blood test, doctor takes our blood sample and checks the number of blood cells and measures levels of vitamins, minerals, sugar, cholesterol and other substances. When we face problem in our vision and eye health, we go for eye exam. This exam assesses vision and eye health. Now we will know about the imaging. Imaging provides picture of the inside of the body. We will include X-ray, MRI, etc. You can see the picture of X-ray machine. X-rays use radiation to produce an image of the body's internal structure. They are typically used to diagnose and assess bone degeneration or disease, fractures and infections or tumors. Now you can see the MRI machine. MRI combines a powerful magnet with radio waves and computer to create highly detailed images of structures in the body. MRI scans are frequently used to diagnose bone and joint problems. This is ECG machine. The full form of ECG is electrocardiogram. It measures electrical activity of the heart. So it is all about the medical tests. Now we are going towards chapter 5 natural remedies. If nature has given us diseases, it has provided us with remedies too. When doctor identify the disease with the help of medical tests, prescribe us medicines. Before these modern medicines, our green friends were the only source of treatment for diseases. So, in this chapter, we will read about our green friends. Aloe vera, ashwagandha, neem, Brahmi, Amla. Now I am going to explain these remedies with the help of some pictures. So let's start. This is aloe vera, known as a miracle plant. It is an antiseptic, a beauty aid and a health nourisher. It is effective in treating skin problems, constipation, burns and stomach ailments. Now you can see the ashwagandha plant. The roots of this plant are used in treating nervous disorders, asthma and heart diseases. Children, you all know about the neem tree. It improves immune system and bowel functions. The bark is used as a toothpaste for toothache and bad breath. Its oil is a natural pesticide. Now I am going to tell you about Brahmi plant. It is used as a nerve tonic and sedative for relieving stress. Extracts of leaves are also used to make hair tonics and oils. Children, you all are familiar with the amla fruit. The fruit of this tree is very rich in vitamin C. It is used in making many Ayurvedic medicines like Triphala. It improves body resistance and is good for skin and hair. So this is all about the natural remedies. Hope you have enjoyed the chapters and learned a lot about the medical tests and natural remedies. So get ready for the worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day.